This video brought to you by Royal Forex Signals. So Royal Forex Signals is a place where you can get Forex signal with high winning rate for free. No charges, no whatsoever. I myself have been using their signals for months and it's been a profitable trading for me ever since. So if you want to get the same signal and profit as I do, you can click the description button down below and join the group link. Don't forget to click the join button, and with that being said, let's get into the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to Forex Mastery. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a template or how to have a template in your MT4. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, first of all, this is a blank chart right here. Okay, no indicator. Okay, so right now, I'm gonna put any indicator. So this is moving average, so I put moving average. Okay, so I put another one, example, stochastic oscillator. Alright, okay, now I have my moving average and stochastic oscillator. Okay, so example, if I want this, example, I found my technique. I found a technique using these two indicators, and this is in Euro USD pair. So I want this indicator, these two indicator, in another pair also. Okay, so this is a blank, a blank chart. Okay, without anything in it, just candlestick. So I want these two indicator in this GBP USD pair. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I will right click and then go to template and then save template. Okay, so you can put any name that you want. Alright, okay, so you can put any name that you want. Example, I'm gonna number 1. Okay, just example. Oh, sorry, there's already number 1. So I put A, just A. Okay, you can put any name that you want. Alright, so I'm going to click save. Okay, so I'm going to go to my GBP USD pair. Okay, so this is a blank chart. This is a new chart. So I'm going to right click to anywhere in this chart. Right click, go to template, and then go to my template that I just saved earlier. Alright, this is A. Okay, so there it goes, my two indicator, moving average and stochastic oscillator. So example, another one, I'm gonna go to USD JPY. So this is a blank chart. Okay, so right click anywhere, go to template, and then choose the template that you just saved earlier. Alright, so this is my template A. Okay, there it goes. It's very easy and it's very reliable, and it can make your MT4 chart more organized. Okay, I'll see you in another video. Thank you. Alright guys, now you learn all about the money management. This is including the calculation and the important itself. So let me remind you again, money management is so important that any trader, any professional trader will say the same thing. If you are losing at the money management, you will not go far in trading. You will lose all your capital, no matter if you have 1 million, 1 billion, or 1 trillion. If you fail at money management, you will not gain profit from it. You will not be successful at it. Alright, so if you don't understand, if you have something to say to me, you can comment down below, and I will try my best to reply to all of you. Don't forget to do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.